Rudy's today, I feel like I've got four three-dimensional chess games going on at any one time. And you are trying, we have an organic business, we have a gluten-free business, we have a DSD business in Colorado, and we've got all this new frozen innovation. And each one of those have multivariate things that are happening, and it is a lot to have going on. So I think there's not a playbook, but I think it is really trying to make sure your priorities are clear about what you're trying to do and not assume that everybody can do everything or that everything is a priority. Like some stuff's going to drop off, and you just have to be willing to let it drop off.